To allow you to take advantage of cheaper rates, you can defer the moment when you start charging your vehicle. Go to the Energy menu on your vehicle's touchscreen to define the charge start time. These settings are stored by the system. Then connect your vehicle to the charger. In the minute following connection, press on this button to activate deferred charge. This is confirmed when the blue pilot light comes on. You can now lock your vehicle. The end of charge is indicated by a green light on the control box as well as in the charge flap. For greater comfort and in order to constantly respond to your needs, you can also configure and check your battery's charge remotely via the MyCitroën application.